Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your speaker SOUNDCORE Select for Go. To perform a hard reset, at the top of the speaker we have a controls, and you need to press at the same time Bluetooth button and volume up button until your speaker is turned off. So let's make it. I press on it, and now we should wait. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove this speaker from the phone. So go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android, and right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker as a device list. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after a factory reset, this speaker entered to prank mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Now tap on it, and if you have Android, also click pair after that. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!